welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get latest information for your favorite gadgets. And today we have brought out a gadget which is from Apple. That is Apple's MacBook Pro Retina A1502 out here. Yes, we have brought out this amazing version for you guys, which is Apple's MacBook Pro version. अगर हम सीरीज की बात करें, if we talk about the series, it comes under MacBook Pro series out here, and the Retina is added because of the display it gives out. Talking about the display, we can say that it offers you a Retina display. Along with that, you get to have LED backlift. Yes, this is LED backlift display along with Retinal display and IPS technology out there. So overall, if we talk about this MacBook Pro Retinal version, then we can say this is a very good version out here, offering you great functionality. As well as when we talk about this variant, when we talk about MacBook Pro version out there, Retina version out there, then we can say that there is a native resolution of 2880 into 1800 resolution. Yes, there is a native. Native is like the default resolution we have. Whereas you get to have 220 pixelation out there, that is PPI resolution out there. You get to have PPI resolution also, that is 220. Along with that, you also get to see that there are millions of colors supporting out there. So the colorization, if we talk about that, it is in with support of millions of colors. So a lot of small colorization makes a great granule out there. So there's a very good colorization. Along with that, if you would like to change the resolution of your gadget or your screening out here, then it is also possible because you get to see that the resolution can be easily variated out there. Depending upon what you would like to have, it is varying from 1920 to 1024. Yes, 1920, say 1024, yeah, for 200, 1200 to 640 also. So there is a lot of change out there. So you can have a variety of resolutions out there. Now, depending upon your output, you like to have different resolutions. So retinal display is much needed for this because we need a good output. So this can be done out here. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, we can say that there are n number of specifications, n number of reasons why we choose this kind of a version, because this variant offers you not just one type of processing but n type of processing out there. Yes, you get to see that the processing system out here is different, as well as the processor out here shows you that this variant is really good version, offering you a screen size of 13.3 inches. Yes, the screen size is offering you 13.3 inches out here. Back then when it was released out in, we can say, mid 2015 out here and early out there. Yes, mid 2015 के around जब ये release हुआ, तो we can say that it offers you good variations out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that the variation it has or the versions it shows out are quite different. It's not just a normal Pro Mac Pro out here, but a retinal display is also there. Now let us talk about the inbuilt storage capacity, and let us talk about the inbuilt processor out here. Yes, they are also required out there. So when we talk about the processing system, so when we say about the processing, when we say about the Intel processor out there, what kind of processor it is using? It uses a fourth generation Intel Core i5. Yes, fourth generation Intel Core processor is being used out here. Along with that, you also get to see there are variety of storage capacities. Yes, there is n number of storage capacity variety is there. Along with that, you also get to see that the RAM quality, the RAM out here is about 8 GB RAM. Yes, you get to have 8 GB RAM along with 256 GB SSD. That is the storage capacity, standard storage capacity out there is 256 out there. If we talk about the processing systems are these, the operational out there, the operating system used in it is nothing else but Mac OS. Yes, it uses Mac OS out there. Along with that, integrated graphics could also be seen out in this variant. So these are the overall few functionalities we are talking about, but let us talk specifically about this variant. Let us talk about the Retinal Pro out there. And when we talk about this Retinal Pro out here, then we can see that this variant out here is being offered a lot of specifications. There are a lot of things which you get to see in this version. talking about the technicalities, talking about the technical things, then we can say that uh, the storage capacity, the SSD can be configured, upgraded out there. Along with that, you also get to see that the configuration is quite important in Mac series. Yes. If we talk about Apple product, then we can say that it is actually necessary to have the configurations because we usually need the upgradations out there. Apart from that, if we talk about the outer structure of this variant, then we can say that it has got a camera out there. Definitely, camera is there. But let us talk about the side innings out there. Like if we talk about the side innings, then we can say that it is offering you nothing else but yes, a power connector. A power connector is a point out here from where you can charge it out. Your USB charge, USB ports out there where you can connect your USB drives out there or pen drives out there. US card reader is there. Yes, you can have a slot for card reader out there. You have a magnetic safe port out there. Yes, mega safe ports out there. Apart from that, you have a main power button and a power charger button out there. Along with that, you also get to see that there are USB ports surrounding it, and it's not just one or two, it's three USB ports out here. Along with that, thunder ports are also required. Why we need thunder ports? We need thunder ports to providing a good we can say connectivity, and we can say the processor out here requires that. So it offers you approximately 20 GPS out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, then retinal display is very important out here in today's time because we need recordings and audio or video output of 4K. Now, when we talk about 4K, 5K, what does this mean? This is a high resolution or high definition version of videos out there, and which are really very well displayed out in this retinal display. Now, talking about the display out there, we got the videos out there, photos out there, but we definitely need to talk about the audio output also. Yes. So there is a jack system also known as the 3.5 jack system, or you can say audio input or output, which is commonly known as a jack system out there. Apart from that, it has an inbuilt microphone also. It has got stereo type speakers inbuilt in it. These are the few things which you will find in this variant. Apart from that, the jack system does not only support 3.5 jack, but you also get to have a port for Apple's iPod or iPhones out there. iPhones you can also use. It has got a digital and analog audio line also in this. So this is also a very good point regarding this version. Talking about this variant, overall we can say that keyboard also has got a great functionality, offering you 12 functional keys and 4 arrow keys, which are arranged in not a normal T but an alternative T out there. So you get to see this version also. So overall, if we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you great connectivity, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Apart from that, you also get to see a lot of inbuilt apps out there. Yes, there are a lot of inbuilt apps, as well as you get to see there is a lot of other features which can be used in this version out there. Like you have Siri detection, reduce motions out there, Zoom, voice calls out there, voiceovers, text to speech out there, FaceTime message maps. There are a lot of inbuilt apps and features inbuilt in it. Apart from that, you get to have a great battery life, offering you approximately 9 to 11 hours work hours. Yes, you get to have this work time out there. So overall, if we talk about this variant, that is quite a good version out there. Yes, that is definitely a good version out there. And now when we talk about this good version, then we can say that it is offering you a great pricing also. So let us talk about a website which offers you great pricing for this device. And the website name is justatclick.com. Yes, this is the site out here. The site name is justatclick.com, which tells you or which helps you to check about your favorite gadgets and your profitable rates. Yes, you get to have a favorite gadgets under profitable rates. This search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget out here. Yes, we are going to type Apple MacBook Pro out here, and we are going to type Retina, and the version is this 1502. So this is the result of our search. This is Apple MacBook Pro Retina A1502 13.3 inches laptop with 4th generation Intel Core i7, which we have already discussed about the specifications. And you get to see that it is coming with a bag free out here. Apart from that, you get to see that there are a small description box mentioning a few specifications, not all, few specifications have been mentioned out here. Apart from that, you get to see that there is a condition written on the top that is in the mid, that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition also. Talking about refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products are actually nothing else but they are slightly brand new. Like, if you can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar. The only difference lies out in the pathway. Otherwise, if we talk about functionality, if we talk about the functions, everything is same out here. Now, what does actually refurbished products pathway is like? When we talk about pathway, it is like there is a base, there is a mediator, then there is a consumer. You have these three things. Base is always the you can say from where we get that product. Yes, the sole owner or the pre-owner or the company, anything could be the base. Now it depends from where that product is being distributed out. So that is the base. Mediator is the place where they have been distributing or the bridge out there. Whereas consumer is nothing else but the users or the owner, new owners of that gadget. So this is what the three pathway includes. If we talk about brand new, then the company is the base out here. Yes, the company is the base out here, and you get to have the marketplace as a mediator. As marketplace is the mediator, whereas the consumers are none other than the users. We are the consumers out here. So this is what consumers is all about. Talking about the base, talking about mediator and consumer, we can see that refurbished product is extension of the brand new. How? Now we know that the pathway is like company, marketplace, user. This users becomes the base for the refurbished product, because refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. They have been owned by a user, so they becomes the base. Now after the base, they don't want to use this out, so they resell it in the marketplace. And now when they resell it in the marketplace, they are categorized as a refurbished, or still they are not categorized as refurbished. We can say they are categorized as a normal gadget. They are still to be conditionized out there. Now what happens there is, in this marketplace, they are pre-owned gadgets. They have to be tested, verified, checked out whether the parts are perfectly working or not. Everything has to be tested. Now once it is tested, when its testimoniality is given, it is conditionized, or we can say the condition is given to it, that is refurbished. Now the brand is refurbished and is ready to be sold again. So it is sold out on that website itself, and the new users have it. They are the consumers out there. So this is overall path, including in from brand new to refurbished. So we can say that brand new's extension is the refurbished product. Now, what are the tests which are involved in it? Yes, tests plays a very important role. And when we say tests, then we can say that there are actually two major classifications of tests, which includes like one is the external parameters and another one is the internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, if we talk about the external parameters, then we can say the external parameters are nothing else but the parameters like display, their buttons, their length, width, thickness, scratches out there. If there is a camera out there, then how is it working? Power mode out there, charging, slots out there. Everything has to be checked. If there are buttons, then buttons are intact or not. Everything has to be checked. So these are the things which are involved externally. So we can say that external parameters are nothing else but the parameters which are involved or which can be checked out through eyes, and no much gadgets are required. Yes, equipments are not required much. So we can say these are the parameters. Now what does happen once the external parameters are verified? We can say that once external parameters are verified, these go to the internal parameters. What are the internal parameters? Let us talk about them also. These internal parameters includes the internal paths, the internal small elements which are used out in that, and they cannot be just checked with our eyes or a small things out there. They need proper equipments, and these equipments verify about the testimoniality of them. These includes like if it is using any operating system, what kind of operating system is this, like Windows, Mac is using iOS, Mac OS, or any kind of operating system out there, the processor it uses, if there are charging slots, then how is the charging slot working or not, USB is working or not out there, the internal points are working properly or not, the connectivity is giving proper or not, every single thing internally we talk about everything, like the storage capacity out there, the internal capacities out there, RAM quality out there, everything has to be checked and verified out there. So this is a must known thing for checking any refurbished products. And once these products are checked, these products are verified, we can say that external and internal parameters are verified, then they are given a certificate. These products are classified, or we can say conditionized as certified refurbished products. Yes, they are conditioned or are said as refurbished products. Now, talking about these refurbished products, what do they offer? They actually offer you good quality of products, good services out there. But once we check out these products, they are verified. What if the condition says that some parts are not working properly, yes, some parts are not working good, it is missing out there, so they have to be replaced with the original parts out there. Yes, no duplicate parts or not any other part out there. They are actually replaced by the ओरिजिनल पार्ट्स फ्रॉम द कंपनी इटसेल्फ, यस, जो कंपनी रिलीज करती है मार्केट में वो उनसे ही रिप्लेस किया जाता है. So this is also an additional point to the refurbished product. And if they cannot be replaced, then the product is not brought in the market. Yes, that it is not brought back in the market out there. So you can say that there are no fake or unknown parts, there are original parts out there. Now, when we talk about these products, then we can say that it offers you premium quality out here, now offering you good quality products. It is offering you great functionality. Structurality is also good. But what are the major advantages involved in refurbished products over brand new? Definitely, brand new products offer you great offerings that you're the first one to use that product, you're the first person. But refurbished products also have some advantages, like they offer you pocketable rates out there. Yes, they offer you pocketable rates. Now, what does this mean? This means that once a gadget is pre-owned, then the market price of that gadget, that particular gadget which was pre-owned, is reduced. Yes, that is reduced, and you get to have that gadget in your pocketable rates. So that's also an advantage thing out there. And if you have got pocketable rates, then you can save. Yes, you get to save a great saving. How you save, like we know that refurbished products are pocketable rates and brand new products are slightly expensive, so there is a difference in the pricing, so you get to save a great saving out there. Apart from that, if we talk about the warranty period, brand new products offer you 1 year warranty, but refurbished products also offer you 6 months warranty. So this is quite exciting that if we talk about a pre-owned gadget, then they are usually not having any warranty period. But if a condition is mentioned as refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty along with 70 exchange policy. Yes, 70 exchange policy can also be seen out there. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished product. So these can be checked out on any websites or out there. So let us go back to the website we were talking about. So we were talking about justatclick.com. Yes, we were talking about justatclick.com. And when we talk about this website, then we can say it offers you great offering out there, your favorite products in your pocketable rates out there. As well as when we talk about this website, then we can say that it offers you COD. Yes, COD is there. Along with that, free home delivery out there, money back guarantee also there. So you get to have your favorite laptops, your favorite PCs, your favorite gadgets out there in pocketable rates and in a hassle-free manner. So you can check out this website. The website link has been given in the description box. You can check it out, or on Google you can type justatclick.com. The search bar helps you to search your favorite gadget out there, favorite points out there in a very limited time. or you can check out the category out here mentioned for your favorite gadgets out there. So you can definitely check out. And if we talk about the shipping timing, then it takes 48 hours shipping timing in most parts of UAE, whereas in Saudi it might take up to a week. For best pricing, visit out the website, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.